Hey guys, this is Victor with Invisible Edge, and just wanted to give Aerotech and QuickAirLift a shout out for bringing me these airbags, these installation airbags. They're just an absolute game changer. As you can see, the angles that I'm getting and the ease of installation and getting the nose up in the air is incredible. Setup and takedown are really easy, and you're not stressing as you're driving up a ramp or trying to get the lift points just right. It's just a matter of getting the tires underneath the airbags and pumping them up, and look at the results. Just amazing. Removal. Just take the air out of the bags and cart comes down. Easy as that. Back it up and away you go.